Sometimes I swear I cook more in the kitchen for my hair than I do for myself. What with rice water rinses, apple cider vinegar, gelatin, and now flaxseed gel. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I am showing you how I make flaxseed gel in my kitchen. I really enjoy doing this. It's fun. It feels like an experiment. Some of the benefits of making a flaxseed gel are that flaxseed gel does add an incredible amount of shine to my hair. It also acts like a humectant because it has a lot of vitamin B in it. Another thing I really love about it is that it is very cost effective. You can get a whole gigantic tub of flax seeds at the Walmart for under $5, which is fantastic. It also acts like an amazing curl enhancer for me. One of the downsides of flaxseed for me is that I personally can't get enough hold from flaxseed gel on its own to use it as a single styler. So in my experience, I have found that flaxseed gel works best when I pair it with a stronghold gel. But if you're curious to see how I make my flaxseed gel, then just keep watching. Oh, and before I forget, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would, please subscribe and click that notification bell. I would love to have y'all around for some more videos. It really has been a blast getting to talk with y'all and hang out in the comments. So I would love to get to do that more. And if you could, please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I would really appreciate it. Okay, now let's go to make the flaxseed gel. Welcome to my kitchen. I am taking 4 cups of water and I'm showing you my lovely organic flax seeds. Again, great value from Walmart. I'm using 1/4 cup of that, but I needed to wait until the water was boiling. And remember, a watched pot never boils. So I walked away for a minute so that the water would boil. I'm joking. I'm teasing. Okay, I've got 4 cups of water and my 4th cup of flax seeds in my pot, and now I'm going to let them boil forever and ever and ever. Just kidding. This has been about 45 minutes, and that tends to be the sweet spot for me to get the snot-like consistency that I want. And I am just going to stir this and make sure that everything is not stuck to the bottom of the pan. I did come and check it and stir it a few times while it was boiling. This day, actually, the flaxseed came out a little runnier than it has before, but I'm still pleased with the consistency that it is right now. So I'm setting it aside to let it cool. I let it cool for about 15 minutes, and I maybe should have waited a little bit longer. It was still pretty warm. 15 minutes, again, has been long enough in the past. Maybe this super hot weather we're having is affecting my recipes. All right, so I had a cheapy set of pantyhose on this glass measuring container, and I am just squeezing and squeezing all that delicious gel out of the pantyhose. And I found that it was really easy to squeeze out with this slightly runnier consistency, and the gel was just as effective being a little bit runnier. So if you like a thicker consistency, you can by all means boil it slightly longer. Just know you're going to have a harder time straining it out of the pantyhose. So there we go. This is the consistency that we're left with. It still has some snot-like texture to it. I'm not going to lie. There's no way to sugarcoat it. It's like snot, but that's the consistency that I like and I'm looking for, even if it is a little runnier than normal. And now I'm adding 4 drops of lavender essential oil to it. And I really like doing this because it makes it smell pretty. And for kicks and giggles, today I'm adding some vanilla smell to it. This is going to make it smell really warm and delicious. I added 3 drops of those. Not sure if I said that already. Probably did. All right, now I am grabbing my immersion blender and I am just going to blend it up. You do not have to do this step. It just helps the texture not be quite so snot-like.
and snotty and slimy. What this does is it makes it really frothy and foamy. It almost turns it into kind of a mousse-like consistency, which is kind of fun, actually. So there we go. I blended it up for maybe 30 seconds, and I have got this really old plastic container I'm just going to pour my flaxseed gel into, and there we go. Now I am going to wash my nasty hair. Actually, it wasn't horribly nasty this day, but I really wanted to play around with my flaxseed gel while it was fresh. You don't have to use it fresh, but anyway, I'm using the Anasi Clarifying Shampoo. It's sulfate free. Oh my goodness, I have really fallen in love with this stuff this summer. I've been really struggling with my hair being slightly over moisturized because of all the humidity going on. So this shampoo has really been helping me keep my hair balanced because it overhydrates so easily. I'm also grabbing the Anasi Soothing Mint Conditioner, and for fun, I'm adding about 5 drops of that neutral protein filler to it. The neutral protein filler is not going to have just a huge effect on my hair because I am rinsing it out. This was just for fun to experiment. I was in an experimenting mood this day. And you'll notice I'm doing something I said you shouldn't do. I am detangling my hair with my Denman brush. But I tell you what, that Anasi conditioner detangles my hair so beautifully. I didn't feel the need to grab my wet brush. My Denman brush was just fine to detangle my hair with. Now I'm rinsing that concoction out of my hair. I actually left it on for a little bit because I had to wander around my house and help my child. So anyway, now I'm grabbing the Zoto's All About Curls Bouncy Cream, just a little bit of this, and I'm using this in place of a leave-in. I have been loving using this cream in place of a leave-in. It is hydrating without being overly hydrating and weighing my hair down. It also really, really helps my clumps form together, and it has a little bit of protein in it. I have also found that even though it contains some glycerin, for whatever reason, my hair does not react to the glycerin in the Zoto's Bounce Cream. So I went ahead and smoothed those front clumps down too. That clip got deleted. Sorry about that. Now I am just scrunching that cream in really thoroughly, making sure it's very evenly distributed. Now this is where I add my flaxseed gel. I add it in the place of a curl enhancer. Some people are able to use this as a single product styler or a single wash day styler. I find that it doesn't quite have enough hold for me, but when I don't use it, I notice a difference as well. It just adds so much shine and curl enhancement to my hair. It is really worth it for me to use this plus a hard hold gel on top. So as you can see, normal application process, smooth it over, scrunch it in, make sure I'm really getting some in the back. And now I'm busting out one of my old faves. It's the BioSilk Rock Hard Gelée. My goodness, this stuff has all the hold. It is awesome. And it also contains a little bit of hydrolyzed protein, which is fantastic, and no glycerin. It is an absolutely fabulous gel option. If you are looking at picking it up, make sure you get the formula that does not contain the drying alcohol. There are 2 formulas of this. I have the one without the drying alcohol. Okay, how long can I stand here scrunching my hair? That is the trick for me, is to make sure that I scrunch my hair enough so that my hair will go ahead and absorb the product. And then I plopped my hair for a few minutes while I finished getting ready.
All right, so I diffused my hair after I plopped. If you're curious what that looks like, please check out this video right here if you have questions about how I dry my hair. But now we're here for the fun part. I'm going to scrunch out the crunch. So you can see that my hair is looking a little, it's okay, but the curls are kind of stringy and a little crunchy looking, even though they don't feel crunchy. My hair never gets a really hard cast. I found that I can still have good hold even when I don't get a cast, but I'm going to scrunch and fluff, and you can see my hair transform before your eyes. So I like to start kind of going side to side. There's no real technical thing here. I've tried scrunching my hair out with a silk scarf. I've tried scrunching it out with an oil. If you're finding that your hair is immediately frizzing and your curl clumps are really falling apart, you might want to try that. But if you can scrunch out the crunch with just your hands, dude, get away with it. So now I'm going to go completely upside down. Getting a little excessive with my scrunching and fluff. Ah! My hair got caught in my watch. Oh no! Wow. Woo! 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 Okay, let's find my part. And for those of you asking, I will be doing a video soon on how I am getting my hair to part and not look crazy. But if you've really been watching every second of my videos, which I don't blame you if you haven't, but I have talked about before how I have been styling my hair so that my part isn't horribly crazy when I flip my hair from side to side. All right, and here we go. These are the results with my homemade flaxseed gel and all the other things I experimented with. Let me show you the back. Needless to say, I am pretty darn excited. I really love how shiny flaxseed makes my hair. That is another really good benefit of flaxseed gel. And there you have it. That is how I make flaxseed gel at home. Here is my little tub. You can definitely see that it has become much more watery and less foamy after blending it up. I did use it while it was still pretty foamy, and I actually really love the texture of it when it's foamy like that. But it is absolutely usable when it's more liquidy and runny. Adding the essential oils to it just makes me feel special and fancy. I've never actually added the vanilla before, so sorry, but I really liked it. It smelled warm and yummy. Just know that you can keep this in your fridge for up to a week. Just keep tabs on it. If you open the tub and it really starts to smell a little funky, don't put it on your hair. It's time to make some more flaxseed gel. Also, if you notice that it becomes far more liquidy than the day you made it, that's another indicator that it's time to make some more. So, general rule of thumb, you can keep it for a week in your fridge, but if you notice anything earlier, just be careful. One little caveat. I do enjoy making this at home just for fun, but I personally have found that the Simply Curls Co. flaxseed gel works so much better for me. It also has some other ingredients in it which make it more awesome for my hair. So if you don't feel like making flaxseed gel in your home, you might take a look at the Simply Curls Co. flaxseed gel. It is so good, and it is a product that I have found to be the most similar to my homemade flaxseed gel, like same benefits and whatnot, without having to cook it for yourself. But if you feel like cooking it for yourself, this is how you do it. All right, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really loved getting to hang out with y'all today. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer every single question you have. I hope y'all are having an absolutely fabulous day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!